Dense polyfiber traps debris. Premium activated carbon quickly removes odor, discoloration, impurities and toxins, making your water crystal clear. Use with Imagitarium aquariums and filters compatible with replacement H-mini filter cartridges. Keeps your fish healthy and lively. Replace cartridge every 2 to 4 weeks. Top reviews from the United States. Carnival goldfish approved. We were forced to take a Carnival goldfish home last summer, and this fish, my current best friends, has beaten the odds and survived. We upgraded to a 1.5-gallon tank as he has become a part of the family. The tank came with a small filter, and so far these refills work well considering how much I feed him and he poops. I change them monthly and half the water because I am not currently spoiling a free goldfish.